Canva has a new Magic Expand tool within the Magic Studio. And guys, it can do some really interesting and really cool things. It fascinates me. I've been playing it for a while, and it fascinates me how the tool actually uses AI to expand some images, because the results are simply outstanding. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, feel free to subscribe to see some really interesting tutorials coming out every single week, just like this one. Now, let's head over to my screen so I can show you step by step how to use this new Magic Expand tool. Let's go. So guys, on my screen here, you can see that I'm in the Magic Studio, right? And to easily find that, once you're in your Canva dashboard, just simply click Magic Studio on the left side and you'll be able to find all the new goodies from Canva. Now, today we're focusing on Magic Expand. You can easily access this by click on Magic Expand and try the Magic Expand, right? They give you this one, but I'm going to just simply create something else. So if you're inside Canva and you would like the dashboard and you just simply want to create your own thing, so let's say you're creating a thumbnail, for example, right? You can do so, and all you have to do is just select any image that you want. So let's find the image, right? So let's say this image, for example. Once the image is selected, you click edit photo and you can find all of those AI tool, the entire Magic Studio right here, right? And here's the Magic Expand. So what I'm going to do is just simply click Magic Expand and I'm going to choose the whole page. You have three options there, but I'm going to choose the whole page and click Expand. And this is going to give me a few options, 4 options, how I can expand this small image to cover my entire page there. So let's give it a moment for it to expand and let's see what it can do for us. So have a look at that. Wow, simply amazing, right? It makes the entire bed. It looks like a bed, right? Or a table. I don't know what is that. It looks like a bed. Now, here you have it. It's definitely a bed. It gives you a second option. There is another option, and there is also another option. All of these options are simply stunning options for me. I think they're all very nice options, right? So I will stick with this one here. Nice. And this is just one way how you can easily use the Magic Expand. Have a look at this image now, guys. I've chosen an image of the Eiffel Tower, right? And we're going to use the Magic Expand to see if we can expand Paris a bit more. So I'm going to select Magic Expand again, the whole page, and click Magic Expand. And look at that. Few options here, guys. Really interesting options here, right? I'm telling you guys, this is simply really good. Really interesting tool. Now, all of these pictures are really nice. I'm telling you, all of these pictures are simply cool. And I really hope that you found some value and really found this tool as interesting as I see it myself as well. And there you have it, guys. So easy, so simple, and so freaking interesting. So if you found some value, go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see much more videos coming out every single week. And guys, if you're trying this AI tool already, let me know in the comments below, and even share some of those videos if you're also a content creator. Let me see what you've done with this tool. For me, I find it simply amazing. And go ahead and explore. See you next time.